She's strapped down, so now it's over to Nick for the first 20-minute session, just to get some miles on it, bed the rings in, start setting up the tables, I suppose.
Absolutely, yeah. So I think we're pretty much set up. To be honest, you've obviously had this running before, so in many ways it's just making sure that it is okay. Fueling's good, and we're just going to run it up for about 20 minutes. Lots of low load, lots of throttle opening, just to basically get some cylinder pressure and get the rings bedded in, and then we'll drop the oil, and then we'll be able to go for it properly now. But yeah,
perfect. Right guys, she's done about 25 minutes on the dyno now, 20-25 minutes, and we just dropped the first lot of oil, just having a quick inspection.
Right, happy with that. That's the first little session on the dyno done. We did about 20 minutes, low to part throttle, lots of engine braking, just making sure that the cooling temperature is nice and stable, and also making sure that the fueling's good, and it is. So really happy with that. So the next step is we get a second batch of millers running in oil in. And then we'll go for it again, another say hour and a half on the dyno. Just starting to creep the boost up a little bit. We'll probably get up to about 1.2, 1.3 bar. Lots of engine braking, lots of ups and downs all over the place. And then after that, we'll go for the proper good synthetic oil. And then we'll start mapping properly.
It's getting dark now. I've got an 8-hour drive ahead of me later. So the van's now done another hour on the dyno, another hour and a half on the dyno to really sort of get everything bedded in. Now we're going to put the normal oil in and get mapping. It's exciting times, isn't it?
The time is now, Tom.
Right guys, you can feel the excitement. Both running phases have been done. We've done one set of oil, dropped it, put another set in. We're off the millers running in oil now, and we're moving over to the quantum oil. Over to you now, Nick, for the full mapping session. Now this is where it'll start.
So we've done the low level steady state stuff, low boost, sort of low RPM running in, and now it's time for the full fat stuff. So we're just going to start creeping up the VE table and make sure that it's nice and safe all the way up. Once I'm sure that I can get up the VE table safely, we'll whack it in and we'll really push it up, get some runs, and then we'll do some really good logging. And log adjust, right until the VE table and all the boost control and all that sorted. And then we've got all sorts to play with, so VVT, phased fuel pumps, stage fuel pumps. Yeah, crazy.
Flames.
Tom's not bothered as long as he gets flames.
Flames, that's all I need. Flames, yeah. And pops and bangs on the middle switch. And then obviously a civilised full power map, but just for tracks so that I don't get black flagged.
That's it, so family map and then mad map,
Right, we're just letting it cool down for 10 minutes. It's impressive, isn't it, Colin? Well,
very late.
Very late. It's getting on in the evening, and we've still got loads to go. We're now in the 500s.
Really happy with that, and we haven't really optimised timing or anything. We've just been gradually taking the boost up, logging the fuel in, sorting the fuel out, just trying to smooth it all out, take the boost up again, blah 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 blah. And here we are at 1.5 bar, 503 brake horsepower. So
it's awesome. I'm buzzing. It sounds awesome as well now. I've never heard it rev out like properly with that turbo. It's exciting times, isn't it?
It is crazy. Crazy for you, for us, for the van, for the T4 community, for the world, everyone.
It's just a good time to be alive, isn't it?
It is, aye.
I'm not going to have fun on the way home. I'm going to go super slow because I'm 460 miles from home. That's a lot of time for the AA man to get me. Do you know what I mean?
It is, but
565
on the nose as well.
Right, guys, as you can see there, we just made 565 brake on the dyno. We've got pops and bangs on the switchable map as well. It's been absolutely awesome, guys. Thank you so much for having me. Bear in mind that engine was going to go in the bin about 3 months ago, but thanks to this man here, he's pulled it back. You know, we've been doing a few bits and pieces. We've had the best week, sometimes staying up to about 1 o'clock in the morning, editing stuff. Massive thanks as well to Colin for sorting all the parts out. If you need any parts, make sure you jump on decimaltemps.co.uk. There's loads of bits and pieces on there. And also thanks a lot to Chris for just generally helping me out all week. And of course Spence, I know you're not here, but thanks a lot, I really appreciate it. So thank you very much for having me.
Anytime, mate.
Yeah, great, man. What an epic weekend. Honestly, it's just amazing. Because you still have doubts, you know, whether it'll go, and what an outcome. So just a crazy week. So
it's been awesome, isn't it? Like just
loads of fun, loads of fun.
Up late editing, drinking wine, Baileys, and just sort of getting in the...
that. So yeah, stout professionals, I assure you.
So guys, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's been as you can imagine for me, it's been a roller coaster of emotions over the last 6 months. I've got an 8-hour drive ahead of me now, and I'm confident I'm going to make it. The engine's absolutely spot on. So guys, thanks a lot.
Absolutely.
Cheers guys, thanks for watching.
Is my legal more right?
Yes, good.
Very professional.